sweetness.
I don't think it's stressed enough how when you're starting something new, any venture in your life, whether it is studying, whether it is starting a business, whether it is learning to drive, how important it is to have the right mindset when engaging in things like this. Hi, for those who are new here, my name is Tracy and I am a digital marketer. And it is so important that people realize when you're starting a digital marketing journey or your study journey or anything different or new that you haven't ventured into before, then it's so important that you apply yourself. But you also gear yourself up to learning. Because if you don't open your mind and if you don't want to engage in learning, you're probably not going to get the information that you need to. And if you're going to go into things with the mindset of I'm entitled to a certain level of something because other people this, that, and the other, or basing your experience off of other people's experiences, the chance of failure is much higher. And when I talk about this and the fact that your mindset is important, is the fact that you need to prepare yourself. Because yes, I started a digital marketing journey, but I wasn't perfect. I still am not perfect. I doubt that there is anything like perfect in any journey that you're doing, but there is something like your version of what you want something to look like. How you apply yourself, what you do, what steps you take outside of your everyday journey. So it is so very important to apply yourself in the way that you want to show up for your business, for your studies, for your family, everything that you are starting or venturing out into. Your mindset is so important. If you are of the mindset that you are going to work and make this business work, I promise you it's going to work. But if you're going to come into something, whether it is business, family, studies, anything, a job, you are like, oh my gosh, I'm probably not going to be as good as other people. I promise you the chance of you holding yourself back, not failing but holding yourself back, is so much higher because you're not even giving yourself the opportunity to like surprise yourself. When I say about the digital marketing journey that I've embarked in, there's so many things that I've learned on this journey that I know I wish I would have done differently in the very beginning. But I was able to go back because it's an e-learning program. So I was able to go back and relearn. I was able to go and say, no, I need to look into the mindset training. What am I lacking? What am I not doing? How am I showing up for myself and for my business? How am I showing up in a way to make my family financially free? And how am I teaching myself and engaging in the program in order to get the best out of my digital marketing journey? So everything that you do, you need to make sure that you have the right mindset in order to get what you deserve out of it. Because when you're investing in yourself, you owe it to yourself to get everything and so much more out of what your journey is. So if you are ready to change the way that your life looks, to change your mindset, to change the way that you show up for yourself, and to change the balance in your bank, comment me in the comments or visit the link in my bio and see what I have on offer, because digital marketing is for everybody and there's so many ways to get started.